So we got winter babies. Wasn't going to have any, but guess we couldn't resist. It's cold, but in here it's pretty good. I'm gonna call these all the ones that so I'll call them the ice babies. This is from a 7-hour flyer and a 6.5-hour flyer. The sister is doing great. She's a flyer, young flyer, and I wouldn't be surprised. This will be another nice one. This one's actually got a bit of white top of the head. I would love it if it comes with a bit of a beard. With high flyers, it's not about the looks, it's about the flight. When you've already got the flight, why not have some looks to go with it? We've got a nice red saddle. Same parents as the black saddle I've got flying at the moment, little small one. This one's come up red, whitish reddish tail. Nice, very nice. We've got a nice tippler, and a nice little tippler here. Beautiful. Look how hot they are. It's winter. Nice. And I've got two more. Got the winter babies going. But this one's going to come a blue, white wings. Definitely will have a beard. I don't know what this one's likely to be. Kind of a cell. Coming pretty close to what this pair made last time, which I sold them, young ones at that time. They were coming pretty similar. That's good.